So I am gonna make some solid lotion bars. Funny story, when I bought this like 2 months ago, I thought it was soap. This whole time I thought it was for soap. I'm glad it's lotion because I don't use bar soap, because I was sitting here, I'm like, I haven't made it because I'm like, I don't use bar soap, but this is something new and I like to give myself new shit to do, especially when it's something I can use or give away. So it comes with this little mold, these little molds, lotion bar base, and some crushed rose petals, which I believe it says I have to crush more before I put them in, and a vanilla almond fragrance. Let's see how it smells. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be nice. This is gonna be very nice. Okay, so it says to use half the bar and save the other half, which actually I have to put stuff down. I am prone to make a mess when there's a sign to make a mess. So as wax paper, I have parchment. I work with what I've got. That's what I do with life. Oh, I was wondering how to make it color. I didn't know it had this little thing snuck in there. Yes, I will be making some of them pink. Ah! Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, let's do this. I'm excited. Okay, so it says to use half the bar. Separate the lotion bar base into 2 parts. So maybe if I break it in half. Open and put in a microwave safe glass measuring cup. Reseal the bag and save the second half for the base of another batch. Can't get this motherfucker open. God damn. Glass jar. Maisie, back it up, honey. This is not for you, baby. So I'll take this. Okay. This little chunk, I think this is about half. Cool. Oh, excited. Okay, that's really soft. One of these to stir. Okay, the first 30 seconds, this is what we're working with. It's a little melted on the bottom, it looks like. I'm gonna attempt to stir it a little. Let's see, we want as much just in there. Continue with 10 each and I'll be back. Alright, this is after, I think, another 20 or 30 seconds. 10 each, stirring in between. Stirring again. And I think I'm going to do another 10 because it says it has to be completely melted. And I feel like it's not totally there yet. I think 10 more will be perfect. This will be really good, yeah. After all, 10 more seconds, y'all. 10 more seconds. Okay, our last 10 seconds, I think. Yep. Might be one more because I did let it sit a little bit longer. Okay, see, that is like, I think that's good. Okay, and then add a few drops of the fragrance and mix well. It says to save at least half the bottle, so I'm trying not to be too stingy. I don't want it to be too overpowering. What is this again? You know what? I have other oils that I could probably put in this. That would also smell really, really good. So just put the drops in and then mix well. We're gonna do a little bit more. And then I think I'm gonna grab my essential oil and just put a little bit of that in there. Because it'll pair with the roses. So I'm gonna make these, I think, with the intention for some self-love. Because who doesn't love soft skin? It'll be cute, it'll smell good. And so I have this little mixture from my sister a while ago. I usually only use it in little bits, but I'm gonna just put a little. Yeah, that was just like a couple drops essentially in this. Oh, I need to get more of that or make more. I love to use that when I'm going out. Okay. Just brings pure happiness. I'm gonna do a little bit more of this. So I really want it to be just gonna be good, really good. Okay. Maybe we'll do a little bit more of this. That is perfection. It smells amazing. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then we're gonna add a little bit of color because I want them pink, because pink is fun. I love that. Who doesn't love a little fucking glitter? Makes everything better. More fun. Brush in smaller. Okay. I'm trying to figure out how much there is to pinch this, but. Ooh, it's like magic. Some drops in there. Oh my gosh, my fingers. I think we're doing a little more. My friends, there's a first time for everything. We learn as we go, just like in life. I think I watched too much, well, maybe not too much. It might have been just right. Mr. Rogers and Bob Ross growing up. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It's all mixed in. I love the color. And then we're gonna add some rose petals. Okay. Probably. It's still the good texture we want. And then now that we're ready, yeah, it smells heavenly. We're gonna pour them in our molds. You ready? It is so windy here. Oh my gosh. Okay. And I'm going to see if I can't rubber spatula up. I'm trying to get as much in there as I can. I like to be full purpose. Alright. Maybe it'll let us make one. Maybe. Oh. Let's throw it in for another 8. Throw the last of that. I think I could even get, honestly, a little more if I can just. This is like the one part that's annoying. Same with baking when you're trying to just get every last little bit off. After all the bars are closed. What song is stuck in my head? Teddy Swims and Thomas Rhett. No, it's just Thomas Rhett. It might just be just Thomas Rhett. I hadn't listened to him in a while, and then just randomly, probably because he did a song with Teddy, And I kind of switched to that vibe for a while. And I like, you know, being single for so long when everyone around you is in love. Sometimes I can't handle, because Thomas Rhett has so many cute songs. Sometimes I can't handle it. It just, my heart can't. It's like, I'm just waiting for that. But I definitely feel like I think I used to wait around more before, where now I'm like doing shit to occupy myself and learn and grow until that person comes in, and then continue doing what I'm doing. But you know, love and support of another human, you get to love and support and encourage them and whatever their interests are. I think it's beautiful. And then you figure out and curate your whatever you want together for your life. So we're gonna let these mold. I'm gonna let the mold sit, and then I'll be back when they're done. Okay, so I took the molds out of the freezer. Are we ready? Because I think they're all done. So it's to flip them over. Whoop. Gosh, they're beautiful. How beautiful are these? Beautiful. Smells pretty good. I think I could have used a little more scent in it, but it's not bad for my first time.